Happy Father's Day to everybody out there in the world. It's gonna be a late post, but link everybody and tell everybody. Send it to the world, make everybody say, yo, we still have put in the work. Unfortunately, we put in a lot of work today. Something wrong with one of the something. So we end up not get to post that, but you'll get in a week, yeah. Well, things are come, man. Give thanks. But we're not talking about too much in our first part, yeah. We want to watch the show. Let up on yourself, burn it down. Enough respect all the time. You know what I mean? Enough things to talk about, but we soon talk. Let's go.
Yeah, no. I want you to understand, yeah. Not because I'm kind, no. Not because money is so hard to find, no. I'm not a fool for no one. Not a fool for no one. Not because you're beautiful. Not because every man is running you down. Not because you're the hottest thing around the town. Not because you make everybody heart drop. Still I'm not a fool. One day I'm gonna stop. You say you want this, I get you this. Then you want that, I get you that. Feel like I'm falling in a trouble. Mama grow me well. You hear me, Chantel? I'm not a fool for no one. Not a fool for no one. I'm not a fool for no one. I'm not a fool for no one. Yeah, you caught me off guard when you take off your drawers. Yeah, I was trapped. Yeah, you do everything when I'm laying on my back. You eat me up, me putting your name in my bank account. And you spend it all out. And you spend it all out. And you spend it on a lot of different guys. All of them laughing under disguise. But I'm not a fool for no one. I'm not a fool for no one. I'm not a fool for no one.
Hello?
Hello.
What?
What going on? Where
Me dey warm. What happened?
Oh, why you can't give me a link now? Me that car. I have something to tell her. I want to tell her can't talk over phone, so come give me a link.
Alright, me go see if me can come out of the house. So you know, so me live with such man. So just give me like about 20 minutes, yeah?
Alright.
Alright. Oh, you have to say to me because it's so urgent. You make me to the man lie just to come out of the house.
I don't know, say still. These are one movers my talking about.
What no?
Movers.
Movers? What is movers? Car?
Yeah, I think one skate on the tour too. Let me have half a car skate on the tour. One drift and everything like that.
Alright, so how am I going to buy your car?
Don't leave it, man, no. You might have money, you have money, we not. Tell him some line, man, get some buy one car.
Alright, so me have him account, right? If me take that amount of money out of account, you don't think he might find out I kill you want him and kill me?
Tell him say I do something for some family member or something. You know love your family member? You know if you know say me and like.
I can't do that, you know. I can't do that. You're crazy. I can't do it.
Hello. This have got anyone because I can't do that. You can't do this thing. I can't me want to skate on it all. So if you can't get me in vehicle, well, you just call it and
You can't do that. You know something rated wood. You can't do that. The man we make them with. He can't make love to me like how you make love to me now.
That's how you
All he have a money.
So that's why you have to take your money and make use to keep what you have, what you want.
Alright.
Go for what you want to.
So me go take your money, buy you a car, and then when he find out and he left me, what happened? It was we not have no money.
You're not going to find out. It's not like where a case say. You have to can tell like sometimes. At one time thing you make it look like every day.
Alright. Never do it for you. I told me I don't love you now. Me have to think about it. This, me need to think about it. Me have to premeditate it because if me just jump and do it, me gonna get caged.
Alright then you do what you need to do.
Me need to go back now because he will chop my phone. Kind of tap watch me.
Alright
So,
then do it.
may you talk. Yeah? Alright.
Alright, the reason why I out to start meditating because I don't want to break it to you. But last night, with the my mind, I'm going to tell you now. Some money been missing out on the account and I realize. You know what I mean? So, with the investigation, I realized, say, look at young boy we buy the car. The man going to live in a car. You understand? So, it's a good thing when I sign the prenup. So, I could have the people that arrest you because you take money from account without knowledge and take a car. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to be a good person. You are a young boy going to live in a car. Also, I buy you over so I want to take you and give to somebody need it. You understand? The land them want to take any more time. Because all you have to do is be faithful, right? Now you're definitely look like manga. They get bigger and fatter, you know, so like slim girl. And still, I'm there with the still. I'm loyal to you, you understand? So anyway, I'm not going to debate on that. Done gone bad already, I'm going to fix it. So I don't want, when we're done, you will call your mother, tell your cousin, your sister, your brother to come beg me. I don't want nobody to talk to me. So ever now, check where you get. And just call it out.
Please, me I beg you. Not do me this. Me not have nowhere to go. Me not have nothing. You alone me have, you know.
Oh, you take my money and mine, man, and me alone you have. How come that? And me alone you have money that you say?
Oh, a mistake. That's understand. No, please, me I beg you.
The boy I drive Chris car a mistake. One of the main reasons why I call you what you say, you know. Of make you know, say, I know exactly what I want. So you see the youth where you buy Chris car, look a young youth where you buy the Chris car, you and him go live in that Chris car there. You think say, I can work so hard to build myself up and then take you in and build a future around you. Make you say you're not short of nothing. Your family are alright and thing. Buy your house, put a one place and live your soul in the same way. That house there, I take back that house there too. Me then come and take it back. Right? But me not take back the car come on, you and that young boy living in it. And it's when the young boy tired of you and then kick you out of the car, them does more to reach you. Once if I love you. You understand? Because you don't know good thing when you have it. So me not beat up myself too much and stress myself out. What is to be must be. Me know why you call on your family member them and try to tell them to beg for you. Because my is lack off. That me I said to you.
Babes, just please now.
Yo, listen now. So me calm. That means I'm done think about it already. I'm done know what you do. You do what you do already, call it a day. It's a good thing to sign the prenup already. So the one thing you need to do is just make the lawyer serve you the divorce paper. You sign it, call it a day. When marry you. Come with the young boy.
Fire. Fire. You're gonna choke my back them fire so serious.
One go stay with the brethren with the car.
I'm gonna have nowhere to stay.
Man, stop it nice, man. Stop it nice, man.
We are the tour out.
Don't be there, man. I tell you, tell you, no.
Fire,
Hello.
please.
Don't bother. Have some dignity. Have some pride as a young girl. Go on.
I'm nowhere to go.
The car right skate. Your bike. She buy a brethren a car. And the nigga skate for the toll now. So since the nigga skate, I'm to skate along with that. Go skate with him. Go skate with him. Go on, go skate with him. Go on. Go on, before you skate with on this jump.
I shouldn't do that.
So I go on.
Oh,
use that.
yeah, no, father.
Where are these? They're not place.
Yeah, me there and thing and yeah, this is what I go on to this. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man, tell us, say, yo.
Yeah, man.
Get rid of that, man. Problem is a problem. Lower problem.
Yeah, Rasta. I saw them on the stay more while, you see me?
Yeah, man, I tell
Okay,
you.
oh, you take care of them, father. You see me, I say?
Yo, give thanks to the heads up, you know.
Yeah, man.
Tell me that money, no.
I tell you, I can't say more man. To me, virgin, man, I cheat and I tell him.
When I take cheating part alone of my money.
See him? But you are going. You know what the eye worry I still. Nice female from country. From up the line.
Yeah.
You see me I say? She
Country?
Yeah man, Christian family, St. Thomas. You see me I say? So, now link her with her and think. It's a good woman. She come from a Christian home. You see me? Yeah man. So you don't have to worry yourself, you see me?
Come about that, you see that girl here? We meet her in a dance hall.
Oh.
Out of local London. One nice party I keep out there. And I see she had dash out on a 12:30. She ain't slim enough.
No sir.
It's a long time I just the food that she eat now. If I put her on weight since we there because of how she cook.
The road when you pick up
But
father.
I tell her,
The
like-
road when I start. So when I tell her about now, she have the house she going on.
So the bee, I want to live down there though. Who she live with?
You know say she live with her, she live on her own and thing. Cause you know say she own big woman and thing. You see me I say? Yeah man. So that's right.
But she single though?
Yeah man, very single man. I'm gonna hook you up so with that person we're taking. Come on man.
Alright,
You see me a
so
different somebody.
make you link them
You
now.
see me I say, so I go make the link.
One gun, one
Thing.
band.
As one gun, one band. Good, better, best. You see me I say Rasta?
Alright, so
Yeah man.
you go up then, just make a link.
Yeah
Just
man,
make a
in a
link,
real
make a
life
link.
man, in a real life.
So where they are
See?
going, hold it up.
In a real life.
Yeah man, so that's all
Yeah,
work me have to go and deal with, but she really do me bad. So I'm kind of new one still, I'm see what she are dealing with.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, just
Yeah, man.
let's check
Yeah
in
man,
and I
I
can
jump
talk to
in
her.
in the car and make she know, you see me?
Yeah man,
I make she roll in, you see me I say father?
so there hold it
Yeah
up.
man, so father bless and keep, see?
Yeah man,
Yeah man.
we have a drink.
Yeah
Yeah?
man. Don't nobody stress you out.
Nah man, nah
No,
man. I'm only alone stress me daddy, I will
Sure.
get back here.
Yo.
And I will make it back.
Big
Yeah
up
man,
yourself, be a father.
money down.
Oh,
I'm going to give her one house, you know, your house, I'm going to give her for no more than a car when she buy. So I'm going to sell her house and put some money in her account again, you see it?
Alright.
So you know it go, money down.
Burn it down, here?
Yeah man.
Alright, father.
No, me tell them the home from all and you tell me say you live on here, say you soon come and me. It's not like you need to wait for me from the outside go for you there. Yes, alright. Yeah, tell me say you live on here, so I look up for you there, call me.
Ah, you have to see you.
Yes.
But I can't see.
You make a provide now? Yes.
Sorry, I want you.
You don't know the situation already?
Tell me no man explain more man,
I need
explore.
money to start out this something. Then you not give me the money, I not have the money, I not work, you know.
Yo, John, how is it on? You are going. No, the money still in the butt. Me have an idea. See me?
Not rob no bank, you know.
No, you're not gonna rob no bank. Either way. Pay money up, see me? So I'm gonna make a chopping food.
So you want me, your woman. You want... What you say?
More chopping food, man. Just pimp him up. You don't have to give nothing, you know. You know your style.
So you say me as a woman will there for all long, you take me for the next man?
Come on, baby. Him not be so your panty hang. Just use the head, man. A woman name, you know.
You really want me to do that?
Yes, man.
You don't respect me.
I love you.
You don't rate me.
I rate you and love you, but you want to eat food.
So might as well me just have one next man then me actually like and I give it. But if you have set me upon other man, might as well.
But I thought them
Oh you yeah, I think straight.
No. That's the right thing, man. You know me I think straight.
This is not the right thing. This is not the right thing. You can't tell me say me and you are there for all long and you are going to set me upon the next man. Listen now man, out of them.
This is no this.
No, that make it worse.
Chop him.
Yes, say, just like how you can set me upon the next man. Me can go there and find a man who actually like and take fee money and do it with you car. What is that tell me to do?
Choose an easy road.
It's not an easy one, because I do all this coming. If nothing for a man, I can come up and you. You have to say you can have my back. If nothing for
Of course, what you mean? You don't know that already. I want you to test. I want you. Come on, baby. I want you.
I don't know what kind of stress this me take up on myself. I ask if you look money for parent and look up and don't touch me.
Thing good, man. I say, enter your chop, this boy. You know, you don't know what chopping. Pay money you have. One good chop. You see me, I talk about Mark X chop. Crown chop. See, pray. Alright, it's all good.
Yeah, man. If you need the money, I'm going to take a chance. Same thing, so man, I forgot you.
Let's do the right thing, man. You see me?
So what the procedure over and over by? You don't want to get touching and you start to be and pull and share them.
I link the nigga because him alone live on them thing there. You see me? So
you
it's an easy chop. Because I'm a nigga like, I know him like that.
So you know say?
See me? Punch him boy, man.
Wait, no man,
you
say
never
you
know
know you like that, you don't know say about woman, you don't know me?
No.
You sure?
Sure.
You nah get caught up?
No. No, nah get caught, baby. You see me? So let's do the right thing now. Let's do you see me?
You get me so when you talk to me, if stop talking about do the right thing, and this feel like the right thing too?
I apologize, okay? But just, you see me answer? Say pray.
I don't like this.
Shut up and give me a mean babes. Nice cover for your body and sickness up. Well, I'm not gonna fast move still now, so I link to work and make you know what I want.
Me and the
can
thing,
jump.
me and the
Chop.
thing.
Yeah? Just think how make it happen. See me answer?
So you don't have no money at all?
No, broke.
Alright.
Look up, broke, baby. Broke star. Look come on.
It's been a long day, right? Oh no man, a good man. I saw his case on the time in the street, right? But me I said well differently before that. Second time we are both, you know. When you come to a country sometime and when we can call in here then we live with the brahman and then tell us you're single.
Yeah, I'm single.
So you know invite me to your
And that's my friend who introduced me to you and I'm gonna come down there and thing. Him not really 1 or 2 times a week stop by.
Oh. Well, I like it so far. I come to gym see last night, you know, after me go out.
Good gym or bad gym?
Good gym. Or was the food at Swiss Spice?
Is it alright? What do you think?
Yeah, it's good so far, you know what I mean? But whenever I think about the food smuggling, I think about your eyes and your lips and the way you put the fork in your mouth, I would say it's a coffee spoon, yeah, so
Yeah, dirty, your mind dirty.
No, my mind clean, man. You clean off everything I say I deal with it, so I say, yeah, you're a good man, you know what I mean? So, it just have me a think whether be like, whenever you know, if you hear your accent, you know, nice sound, you know. Yeah, when the vibe right. But anyway, let's see you want money. I have to give you money, girl. See, I have a problem putting money in so much I put on my son out. Alright, well, 10 grand a door.
keyword.
The machine man give more than that to come car go type for it take away.
Look at this seat, sir.
Alright, so buy some gas put in my vehicle. Okay. I left myself back with.
So give me the 10.
No, me not no money for myself. Watch out. You got 10. And we got
10.
8. No, it's not 10, not 8.
Oh, I think 10.
So you're going to do extra price. Extra toes there, because you know. You know, I fall in love with you and I don't know why. Where are we going next? Where is we going?
No, I'm still in the vibe.
So,
Kind of cold, but
the cold? Wow, I don't know. You know, you cold here?
no.
You cold here?
No.
I'm not going to go on, but it's too early for it.
No, it's not too early, but you can wait a little bit, you know, slow.
Well, good thing come to those who wait,
Right,
you know, but not
right.
to those who wait too long. So, you don't want to wait too long. I don't want to wait. I feel, now look.
Why you not look?
No, they say go do something crazy to me. I'm kind of nervous, you know.
Nah, you're not crazy to
feel
you.
like telling
I
the
just
child.
feel you always get.
What's wrong with this? Yeah. Babes, when I like you, at first, you know, I feel something like that. Really and truly. I feel like more on the ring size when I give them a
Okay, you like the money man talk about.
What about money? Yeah, I roll that big bass. What I'm gonna do tomorrow, I'm gonna carry down the bank, they carry ID everything, and put your name in on the account then. So you don't have to think about money and think about you just go buy it. You don't have to ask me. Cause I don't like it how I ask for money, you know. I like when just have money. So I just give money, they do what you want to do with it. Over it though, you know, just spend it like a fool money I spend.
Make a fool.
Feel it.
Like a fool.
Yeah, so you're not spending, you know, so you have to spend it and no save it. You know?
We can buy one more.
Buy what you want. And if family want something, they can buy them something. Alright?
Alright.
So me take you serious and me and you in a relationship and now. Cause I'm not a youth like this, you know, just go to the road and just have sex with just random people.
Mm-hmm.
I am a class person, you know what I mean? So I control my thing. My thing don't control me. So when I choose you, yeah, it's kind of early though because I just left my ex.
It kind of early for you because the first time I ever accepted somebody, so you know, I'm really kind of skeptical about it, but feel a little bit better.
So which church years ago?
I'm gonna go to church.
No, Bridget tell me say you grew up in a church.
Oh yeah, I grew up in a church, man. What a church name again? Or Revival Church. Yeah.
Alright, so well, whatever you do at church, you're well blessed. So, one of the time them do, when we start at church.
So the church we're gonna get married?
Yeah, so that, yeah. Well, look, if you continue to do what you do, you get more than marriage. Yeah, man.
What else? From Bima? You buy the things in from me.
Listen now.
But I'm not worried, I'm just curious.
Yeah, just know where yourself. But now, if everybody drive Bima, you're not driving Bima. More you drive where the Prime Minister wife drive.
You're the Prime Minister.
Anything she drive, more you drive something 3 times bigger than that.
Alright.
Yeah.
So for Bima, mama?
You can get a Bima to play with.
No, I want a car.
You get that to play with, but more you get something well expensive. Like something we just met. I'm when I talk something like a China.
And I don't mind him to buy it.
Yeah, I fear it.
Alright.
I fear it. I fear it, you know. Oh. Come on, so. We work hard.
Ow.
Yeah, me I say, oh. More you know. So yours. Come on. What do you want to do?
I'm gonna take 6 minutes there.
No,
promise and I'll see the connection.
Get moved to slow tonight.
Everything is at TXT. How much I give on that today?
Well, I guess we sit down here and afford the business. I carry natural a different vibration. But different to do. I don't like everywhere me go for a night, right? Every man after you. When they go to the family, one thing I don't like though. Every woman go for a night, everybody a look for you.
So that's a good thing. That means you have attractive.
But man, I long out tongue after you, I don't like it,
But
man.
that's also a good thing.
And you smile. Don't smile when a man long out tongue after you. When the guy put in fingers and put in tongue within you, what I mean?
Why you never asked him how me supposed to know what we never did together? You could have go ask him, you know you asked me how me to know.
But you smile.
Because what else me need to do?
You try to make a monkey face off of him.
Well, next
Make
time
him stop it.
Next
Show him this a finger, yeah. You afraid?
Next time I know.
Yeah, man. I don't want no man to look here when me up on the road, man. Cause you look like you know what I mean and I laugh. I don't like it. You understand? I don't like it, man. You see how some man go on some way when you walk and I don't like it again. Why you make your bumper jump every time you walk? So? I go start dressing differently, you know. I go make you wear some big frock and cover one at the cover. We don't have your face them can't see. Nobody take a for me, you know. We made them, you know, and me not visit. We not what type of places. After this week, me I go a few yard, go for me yard, go and cook it under there. Never hide it from the world and go TV for me. I go, me not like it. Man, I look for you, man. When the man push out his hands and put him on me, why me? Me care you come here, you know. I me there.
That doesn't matter.
Yes, so me go out, man. Pay attention to me. No make
so me give other man attention.
Yeah, when you laugh
I'm not
with them,
doing that.
do not laugh with a guy. When a guy smile, you so monkey face with them.
Sure. Well, no, no.
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
I
Alright.
apologize.
I feel no way. I just feel the way I'm feeling, you know. Because I feel like we should do something on the plaza, you know. you ever do nothing in a concrete yet?
No.
The concrete jungle? You want to try?
No.
Now let alone to that. I tell you, we just mash up what they're doing in the corridor here. Even a look at it, go ahead and look at it. Volume, you know, some of them sit down and cry. Yeah, I'm going to get through this and I'm going to What about money, man?
You can buy something tomorrow?
Oh, wait a second. Okay, yeah, I'm going to buy it. Go on with interested show. But anyway, I forgot my rate of bill tomorrow night. Yeah, man, I can't carry go, man. The money not bad. 7 grand.
So, yeah, I'm going to shopping.
Yeah, well, no. Maybe I go busy in a week, but I just give me card. You call on your girlfriend, you carry all those stuff to get something, right? Remember down there, we are good, man. We'll go back, we'll go get this to them for you. I do. Yeah, me come to man. So, but you go shopping, you and your friend go shopping, right? Because I'm busy, so don't worry yourself about that though. Alright. For me, everything good, man, worry yourself. You know, they're very expensive. It's an easy friend.
Yes.
Oh yeah, no graph here.
This I'm not a fool for no one.
So we are doing
I'm not doing it, I'm just come up to me this time. You know, kind of to go like this.
Anyway, we have some things to deal with, some monetary business. Some soon, I will a shower and then push. Alright?
Alright, I get it up here.
Alright, still remember the last night. You know it? I tell you. Trouble. I've heard of this, isn't it?
You can't tell you. You tell me to kill you, you get it up and tell you that?
Anyway, and you go, same thing tonight again? Or something different? Anyway. I can't wait for the night to come, but anyway, I run up and down, get some work done, and then, alright?
Yeah.
Alright though.
Bring me back something.
You want?
Bring me back something.
Like what you want?
Anything you can bring like all small years.
Anything to you. Alright?
Alright.
You want to go out tonight or you want to cook?
We can go out.
Alright.
You can go out.
I'll have dinner, alright?
Alright.
Alright, so come. So let's go on general.
Yeah, man, I go on easy, man.
Yeah man, I survive and
Go on, do the right thing, you see me? So, all the female are going?
yeah man, female are going good man.
Yeah, man, I tell them my youth, man. I tell them say I want
Yeah, man,
Christian
yeah, man.
type girl, man.
Yeah man, she really are going good, intelligent, you know what I mean, well entertaining kind of talk no, you know what I mean?
And respectful to
Respectful, yeah man.
Yo,
You can go
tell
places
her,
and
yo.
you represent.
Tell
Yeah
them,
man.
yeah, man, in case them grow a good man.
Yeah, man.
In real life.
Good girl. A good girl man,
See
I
me,
tell
I
you.
say.
Make me tea in the morning. And pick up half of me all the while, is it?
Oh,
I see you see the cup, you know, because
Yo.
she's up on the rooftop there, you know see her?
yeah, man, she did that, man.
Yeah man, she's up on the rooftop man, so. When they are going all the vibe, I have to go up on the road now, to all the show you know, and touch road. But
Alright.
you don't know if
Yeah,
the
man.
place or your place,
Yeah,
you know where
yes,
yourself
man.
that is.
Yes,
You see it?
man. So me all have a 4 till I come back.
Yeah man, so
See me, I say?
she's upstairs.
Alright.
Alright, so I want to shower and things touch road.
Alright, alright, my brother.
Ah.
You're passing by your road.
Yeah, I'm going already. Go on, listen, That's the one. That's the one. Good. See me?
Come on, listen, no man.
You are going up. You want you. See? More goes up, boom, and call him and tell him to meet you a sweet river. See me I say, no matter when come back at the yard. See me I say, yeah, I am loving the yard you know. Just convince him to come and sweet. Look him. Yeah me I say, hey baby,
I don't like this.
you know it, Chan. You know it, Chan. Good door.
Yes, you know, okay, stop talking.
Alright, you are going on more you have to do. You don't see nothing for them in our house. We can sell.
Well, everything but see one painting and keep it kind of the right. You don't know what.
Painting?
Yeah, it's really expensive. You need to tell me what it will just come out very, very expensive.
Yeah.
Approach it.
Yeah, we have to go chop it.
So that's I like some jewelry and like one big speaker back that value.
Love music. Alright, come let this.
You know, but it's
No, nobody not see woman. Nobody not see
people
it.
like
See me? Yeah.
so I'm gonna see you, but one more thing.
You what you gonna do? You gonna just keep him there. Just keep him there until me call you and tell us I text you. See me? And you won't go for you after that. See me I say? Ram stop the
Yeah, no, I'm gonna do that. Wait, from Sakwa.
You don't want money.
What do you mean, yeah, mush? So just go peacefully, everything we have to go.
Yeah, so that means Ram stop. It means Ram stop.
No, they know where you can't find it. They go in the city, they right inside the box.
Shut up! You have a Ram stop the place.
I'm not doing this today, no. No, I'm not doing this, man. You're in a trouble.
Relax, man. Can't tell me. Thing with it. Nah, man.
No, me not feel good.
It's a painting should I talk about. Yo, $300,000, you know? Yeah. Yes, I. Alright. Alright. Box this. I don't know what 30,000, man. Chop it to man. Oh. Oh. That's gonna get chop. Oh. Stuff ya 300,000. Yo, that girl, yo, rate that. Can't get no slight impression, say.
You don't have to turn it, you don't have to switch it. The angle turn itself. This is the control.
Oh.
Depends on the side you want. You just see the way that's all. What exactly you say there now? Because I drive, if I drive and talk, you know, but we part exactly there. Come here, come man. Come, I don't know why you get yourself so furrow, that's an thing. And now no way to go back down. But for your years a taxi a strike, and you know so you don't have a personal vehicle for yourself. You ensure set. You turn your yard. I'm dead nearby though. Just come out on the road. Alright. I call you, you know. Because of you shouldn't know, look, you see me never love you. Somebody call me. Let me the right on the corner. The around the corner coming out. The right I come out of Green Hill on the corner, that's all come through. Alright. The show for man have to come. I mean, look how much me not come now. Come in the car, come in the back part. Cause some water that's up on the front seat.
No, sir.
So what you do up so far? Eh?
We mean I'm here to safari. You from after one, me tell us them already and all know.
Let me go down, mate. I mean, I want to put things to do.
You have what?
What if I things to do?
You have all the things to do?
Yeah, I have to stop where I do if you go and pick you up. And I'm sending you across and say you call me. I don't know.
What you say?
That thing good, man.
Say you beg.
Not really, but me have things to do, you know?
So me never have things to do too. I say go. When you have a car, you have a man who walk foot, you stop what you do and come to them. I just say go.
Alright, so anything I said.
Nobody never tell you to take a walk up, man.
I'm going to show buy one little bicycle though.
You go what?
Buy one bicycle.
Yeah, bring it home.
You could end up here, I come down for 1 o'clock. You know, reach Ivy South by now.
Yes, man, bring it home. Come on now, what do you?
I'm stressed out.
What go on there now?
Me get a painting, what do you, right? With a lion on it. Can represent I and I as a lion. Right? And I have it in the I house. I'm go up on the road and come back and don't find it. Not only that, me have a box where they play some music that gone to. No camera didn't work. Nobody on the street camera not working. Nobody, you understand? So I say I have to talk to you one away. Come on, offer you a piece of money. Right? And I like first time when some people there give me some stress and you beat them for me. This is a time somebody ramp with me things them in my house. I'm not know, oh, someone you do a special investigation and just so you can find the culprit. Alright?
Okay.
So, yeah, we see my account today because I do things for a long time. So,
Nothing change, man. Nothing change.
yeah, man. So, what I want to do, I go send some picture of the things that are missing. Because more than one thing that are missing. When I go, I check up everything we're missing out of the house. But I check call if I see it exactly. But I didn't get caught up in something. I never look at a new girl I know.
Oh, yeah, said to
Yeah,
me.
man. So she get me caught up. So them look at something that really, I just the principle. Look at things them what them take. Not really fears me because I change that. But still, the principle of knowing somebody are coming in your house and take out the things. You know what I mean?
You sure say another new feeling where you're down there?
No, man. Me and I did there when things them a take away.
Oh, okay.
So I don't like say me and I the different place. And me and I there. Sometimes in our up of your house. And then people in my house don't like to come with things.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean? So that still. We not to go no further with that though. You're the caca crow. Feel like me have struggled to do something idea, but I'm kinda tired of it that time. Anyway, we just want to focus on that. Must send you the picture and send you a piece of money. Because I know some money is what make you work. You love money from that time. True? You remember how me met? You know what I mean?
You can't figure out, man.
The traffic stop them, they have nothing. But still, when I find out, so my papers them straight, everything straight on the car. You pull one side and kiss from me, John and say, beg your money now. I'm too charged, you know. Beg your money, man. Because I don't know, it look like I'll be a cockacrow that's a sign, you know, so we could have a breathing idea, you know. But anyway, before that happens, we move, yeah, man. Anyway, now we go talk. What's in the picture?
Yeah, man.
Alright?
Alright.
You look good, same way, though.
Behave yourself, no, man. I'm to you. So, do that.
Alright. You're going like a gangster, though, but when in a bedroom, you cry like a baby. Fire life will never change. One firewood.
Okay. You alright? You do alright? Or you do alright? You're not gonna be in it. When? In the next 5 minutes? Yeah, get your first sleep right this soon. Nigga record you.
The bank phone attack the bank a while ago. Because we get a big loan from them. I say, I'm ready for the loan. They must say somebody jar over jar. When me tell you to spend some money,
What that mean?
What the card? Where's the card?
My one I make it.
No, you want me here. Ready?
But
As me I show you one number the pan, I show you a number pan. A number on it. I want to see the number. I'll show you something about it. You see the number with the pan here, so come show you. Come look here. All the money the pan, you have to overjar this year. Oh, you go so far. What you buy to let's go over
me don't buy anything.
900,000. 900,000 come off of the card. Oh, 900 come off of it. No, you are all up on the card that you me go give you money, but me go give you like come like give me data money. You know what I mean? Yeah, right. She can buy things. But we can't get too much money, too much responsibility. So, you know why?
Oh, you certain say I mean take money off a card?
No, because like, you alone have a card.
But that means say I mean,
Oh, so
mean I can't somebody else scam me.
So, what did you answer any question on your phone about information?
You answer the question on the phone?
No, because I know that.
Mine are you what it is?
No. The card that I give you, it show me say your card take the money. So I ask you, what did you buy with it?
What is wrong with you?
Nothing wrong with me now. Let me
So you're not giving back the card?
No.
Why?
You said something now. I give the card have a responsibility. When I have the card, I don't overspend because I know the penalty. Me have a loan or thing, me come here record something for you, but everything mess up because you shouldn't spend 900,000.
Me not spend 900,000.
How much
You take
did you
a
spend?
year to me spend 900,000.
No, but
me even use the card and me spend 900,000.
Anyway, whoever use it, man should have a plan this. I didn't mean to talk to a while ago. But anyway, that good still. Anything we lose today, we get back tomorrow. And we enjoy work.
Give me back the card.
No, I can't give back a card.
Why
because
not?
you're gonna do the same.
So many
You're not use it. You're not using it.
Give me the money, man. Go and use there.
You listen on. In the morning, I take it to the bank and I work out. I look at the way I go to go take up and change.
Me not
So,
going.
limited.
Me not going.
So I'm gonna listen on. I'll take out a portion of money. Give you it when you want it. So.
But want it now, I understand.
You say not spend on a card. That means you don't need the card. You're not using the card. You say don't use it, right?
But me about to spend some money.
Yes. But the time pass and somebody scam you and take too much money off, right? Are you spending? But since you say that you're spending, I get really understand that the people that who say they go to church. So my time they are the lights.
And you are the lights and I got church.
You see, if you're never good in the bed, I put you out. I want thing I save you. Say that save you tonight. Set up yourself and make sure say you not even know. Bex me Bex in that tonight. She not even know. Bex! But only one thing is true, you make me happy. And that's the only thing I say. But anyway, but you can't spend more than that, you know, you have to tell when you spend so much money. So we can call the bank and make the bank know what go on. But you just can't spend it so.
Me don't tell us that me don't spend so much money, me did not spend. How much money you say?
900,000
I did not spend 900,000. I did not spend 900,000, okay?
Alright, you say you're not spending it. Maybe somebody scam me. Then scam me already, so let me scam me too.
Alright. Let's me not spend 900,000.
I'm my wife, you know.
Yes.
So anything you want, it can't be expensive.
Mm-hmm.
Alright?
Yes.
So, but me know what I want. Alright? I know them last confidence might take a couple. So you good do different from that?
Yes, man.
I'm married now.
Yes, I'm not wait for the ring on time. Gold ring.
Alright, so that's that. So we go to tonight. You go do something happy now.
I'm going to finish it. I'm ready to get happy.
Yeah, but you have a jacuzzi?
Okay.
Go to a jacuzzi.
You bring towel?
No towel. Me just want you wet. Yeah, but sometimes that's something just a deal, you know?
Yeah, I was some man deal with. You kind of sit down and eat the food with me?
Yeah, I just can't sit down really. Because I have to get the work done, babe. Wait a minute, I live that way here. Because I ask them on the game and try to get it done, you know? The amount of money I spend one day, I have to put it back. So now what they say? Put the money.
Like when I take so much money, if I can, now I get the money and I go.
Where did money, babe? I don't can't use the money.
What you mean? You will see so. Me not impress nobody. You are going to see me take a look at time and do me. No, you are going to see. Maybe you are going to be surprised. More on the money here.
Anything else, sir? Me think I told you.
Yeah, more on it.
Alright, so we think about it. We can't get no concrete answer yet.
Do not think just do it. You need to keep on the lane there. Yeah?
We can't stress her now.
That's if you consider not eat the food with me, I can go stress.
Eating food no stop stress.
You can focus on Uncle Berry? No.
Blessed, what go on, my general? Go where you dealing? Yeah man, bless up. But they are going to hold it off same way as a usual, you know? So everything good? Can't go more than some man. Alright man, so that's that, yeah. For you know, so you get what you want and you want what you get. You go work, you know? I go organize what I can know still, you know. You know what I mean? So I do a detective, I go and sort out one little issue here now, so. But more short back when I done, because somebody broke in my house and what, then a be a thief, I go on up on my yard, is it? No man, in a Negro side man, up at one I mansion them, I tell us be a thing, we have a thief, everything in the place, you know what I mean? So she me contact because she not do a good job really, you know what I mean? So out of that me there I will reason with her if you see because me pay her differently from what she get paid. You know what I mean? If you ensure that she find who are broken in my place. Because the person them coming in my place, you know, I don't know how them are coming, but you may have so much helper and thing, I'm not sure if I want to help her, them, I don't want to blame a helper. I don't know if she have a key to me one day for she. You know? Yeah man, the upstairs and downstairs house there, yeah. So, we don't know if I she, because she have a key to, you know, because I'm a personal detective. You know what I mean? She do more than detective work, you know what I mean? She do, yeah. She work extra time. But still, she there in front of me. But everything go differently though. Alright, we're going to organize up. Yeah man, we're going to organize up. Alright, not say a word. Burn it down. So me I tell us now. Where you have to say to me now? Talk to me.
Yes, Mr. Firewood. Well.
Wait, mama, when me not like, you see one thing? Me know say you like the song about dung in your throat, but I don't like when I talk dung in your throat.
Yes, Mr. Firewood. Go after you.
No, pronounce my name properly.
Firewood.
Look for me, man. Look for me. Firewood.
You just extra listen so true.
Yeah, you like it extra, so more you come give me some put some props for my name, man.
Good afternoon, Mr. Firewood.
Alright, so you get it there now. So what I want to know, because I'm really upset, you know, with the fact that the person been stealing and you know, catch them yet.
Mr. Firewood, me understand what you're saying, sir, but here, the laptop here, they carry for use as a, what I say, for catch a thief.
A bait?
Yeah. So we're going to put a tracker inside of the laptop.
In it already?
Yes. So what you're going to do, just do you have one like it? Yeah. You just go left the one here.
Oh, so I hide my one and left the one out. I want there for me to take it from me now.
No,
but I fear that one here.
See me work laptop this man.
Oh. Yeah man, yeah, so man. When we go out, put in our house and if them thief it.
I know if them are going to come thief it, or what they want it.
Because at night, yeah, true.
But them they know say I tracker the inner it.
Oh.
So them lift up with it now, the GPS are gonna start run.
And then we can find.
Then we're gonna find the culprit.
Alright. Okay, you know, say have an idea. We go work.
Yeah.
Alright, so for that or that, then we go do that. Anyway, we have a new thing up a yard there, you know. So I really want to go touch base with her. And what I can't do nothing with you, because she take enough of my time. She just take everything out of my back. And just like, yo, one thing though, I don't know why that girl that. She take everything, take it. It's the only one buck every time I see her. She a beg me something. She must be siren. As I see her, she want. She want something.
Okay.
But anytime you want something, she give me.
From where the
Yeah, because everything I want, she give me this sex regular, round the clock anyway. You know what I mean? So it kind of give me no time for you differently. No, but anyway, you know, see, I live house with the husband, do not ramp with me. Yeah, for me, I try to get somebody to, so me balance out. We can have a schedule where we know so we do it every weekend, every month. But for now, me I go and work in that person. Yeah. Because me have to run out the one to take me money, buy young boy car.
Yes.
I go get the picture of the car. Anyway, I see that boy that's scared, lock him up. Take the car from him, give him be a ticket.
No problem.
All no did it. Headlamp, did you text and knock out the headlamp and say, yo, no headlamp. All the link here, the fitness paper, you take you out and hide and put in your pocket. So what fitness there? You know what I mean? And charge him for it.
I know what to do, man.
Yeah, man. So here anyway. Take your laptop. So me will link up
Just
later.
anyway, careless. Understand?
Alright, so more wire for your money in your account.
Yeah, man.
You put on weight though.
You know you can put some extra down.
Yeah, man. You put on weight.
Hey, you mean?
Go and do it.
But you're just about go. Or you're just a...
No, we just you have more to join this. Differently. Tell her. Man, I close jar and I search a while ago. I'm buck up on some money. Over 1,000 US. No.
1,000. So you're going to do it.
Remember, I put it on the account.
Nothing put it in there now?
You don't know my account number, I'm going to change it. But I can't put it in. You know, I'll put it in, so.
And more than 1,000 that. Eh?
Yeah.
And more than 1,000 that, man.
Now check it.
You man more than 1,000.
You know it? Come on, let me carry go. Come on, okay.
You're carrying to the bank tomorrow.
Yeah.
So what we are going to do now?
You want to do now? What do you want to do now?
Wait.
You want to wait there?
More, you can make go on the road. But, maybe it's about you first.
Go on the road. Where on the road do you want it?
We can't, like, we have more than $1,000 US and we have more money. I'm tired of the house. You tell the house to come and the house at and you put on this. So obviously I pre-road, so we could go on the beach. You want to go on the beach? You can't go on the beach.
Alright man. Alright, so if you want to go on the beach, we can go on the beach.
Yeah, but maybe it's a bathroom first, so don't move, okay?
Alright.
Don't move.
Good.
Just don't move. It's so good.
Put that laptop up on charge. You know say laptop yeah. You don't know it a lose charge so.
It a what?
Lose charge. Every minute me have to put it on charge.
So we can carry the road and check it out today?
No, we're not carrying on the
No,
road.
we carry the road, we got the beach. We are just spending quick one good time for the road, man.
We do not need no distraction.
Okay.
And you want to look for me, you don't want to look for nothing else. more than you.
Babe, and no distraction. We just have to spend some. Well, as long as we can stay on the beach long.
What on long? We not carry laptop.
Long.
Alright.
Alright.
If we carry some go work, we want to spend some time in you. No, fire.
You we can't get better. Answer the phone. Why you not answer the phone? I need you. This is a money card. You have to answer the phone. Babe.
Hello, babes. Why free?
I have an idea. I have a plan. I have something.
Yeah.
So, when I talked to the man earlier, and the man put out a big old guy that's only the waist.
Yeah, what?
So, I tell him, say, I go, which man is it? You're the close by?
On the road with it.
You're the close or not?
Yeah, man, close.
Anyone? So, I tell him, say, come in the bathroom, you know. I don't know if I can hear me good. So, I tell him, say, I go on the road up the beach.
Yeah.
To buy you some time.
Yeah.
You know, me skeptical at first, but the money enough.
Yes.
So, you go come and you go take what you can take. Some other little something there, but the money you have to go spend cool.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so you go come and you take your money.
Yes,
and
yes.
then do not call me. Just send me like I'll go take some, you know, say bingo.
Okay, baby.
Alright, come in and want to show off me, you know.
Yeah, man, no problem, baby.
I'll talk to you later, I love you.
Yeah, man, love it, baby.
Alright.
Done, yeah.
Babe, you ready? Yeah, I'm ready. Babe, we are the beach and ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Come on. And we just have to do it in this ice cream. Come on here.
What she said the money? No, then should I call her? What she said the money there again? Should I call her, Star? You know what? I'm going to look at the money. I'm going to call her yet. Empty Star, what is man? Yo. Hello, babes.
Hello?
How you say money there again?
Why you call me?
You
Can I
can't
tell
find
you,
the
you
money.
cannot call me, tell a simple thing.
You dig up the whole place and can't find the money. What the money there?
Wait, deposit.
Babes,
Mommy,
why pray?
me not tell you say call me, mommy.
No,
me
you know,
busy
sir.
now, me can't really
I
talk.
find me can't find the money. Me search from the whole place and can't find the money.
Mommy, just remember the top jar with the something that me left for you.
Oh.
Just remember the top jar, alright?
Oh, that's it.
And the blows and me buy it in a top jar.
That's it there.
Yeah, mommy, the one with the TV there, right? That's how the brand new TV I have, the top jar.
Yeah, man, me see it,
Alright, mommy, then take care, yeah?
Alright, baby.
Alright, mommy.
Yeah, baby, love you. Baby, love you, baby.
Yo, come on in. Yo, I love that one. I know. Yo, that one. Yo, I love that girl. I know.
Oh, glasses. Can't make my glasses. Oh, laptop. You know to feel the laptop. Yo, Jano. Just supposed to write a fortune. Yo, I love that girl. I know. US and laptop. What? US and laptop. What a chop!
Yo.
Look, this girl, look, that girl, different.
Your house.
Yes. Say something better.
No, that is nothing better.
Why?
They tell me name your house and they got something nice,
I want to tell you the your mind. That's why you were the
good things. Yeah, brother, they're not good things. I don't feel that. Brother, they're not good things.
So this is not good.
You know what but the nature is good. You know, nature is beautiful. Like we're talking about end on this world.
What's so good?
Try to something that enjoy right now. Yeah, so the beach go. So you never can stand to the beach. Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life when you down to the ground. Babe, I'm gonna laptop there. Laptop right there, no? I'm gonna go for it, man. So, I'm coming to the sleep. Where you stay? No, man. Something go wrong. Me end up on the road a while ago.
Yes.
Me left USB or something. Me left my laptop right there, so. Free charger right there, so. Where laptop there? Right there, so me left you know. Because me left it don't come out. Right there, so I left the charger.
We are talking about
You tell me, get the laptop on the road, right? I doesn't know. I didn't carry it. I leave it right here.
So if
no, it's not there now.
You didn't carry that, now I'm not for this.
No, I'm not talking about you, but I'm saying, don't touch it more, yeah? Don't touch anything more. Come on. Now, check the yard. I'm not sleeping so tonight.
Wait, everything you ask, Joe.
Now, listen up. My money missing out at this year. Right? I'm a laptop missing. I don't want to touch anything in here because I'm going to call the FBI friend.
You don't come and touch everything already.
Shh. Don't say no more. Then no. They don't know if your fingerprint and my fingerprint different. Don't worry about that. Anybody with teeth no other. You go see us. Come on. We not do something more. Come on.
Everything they make a big deal out of it.
Yo, Ma. Yo, you want to know? They have a contract with the pan. Somebody been stealing things out of my place, and right now, me I tell you something, I have a job for you. I'll give you a real piece of money. Boy, you come, listen up. I don't want to go, no put in the office. I want this do under quiet. Come on, you pop somebody foot. Broke them. You understand? So you mess, I not talk too much on the phone, I come check out it. and dust on the place and find the fingerprint. If I can't find that, more I do. Oh shit. May I go talk about it? My job is to sit a female in yard and then we can check you. You the play black? Alright then, more do that. Alright, come. So if you open that door of your car, my hand on your feet. Then go around the time. Come. Don't touch your hand. Alright, bye.
Well, yeah, let me see. Let me see. A grandmother? Yes, she I do. Well, why you have to clean up the place? You don't clean up the place? Then if you have to clean up the place, you have to ask them this.
What do you answer now? You know, say you have to buy this now, right? But do you really have to take it?
Yes, sir. When we not take it,
Remember,
you
look.
have to move life ahead of me.
So, I'll move there. Look at me. You know, say, me really have strong feeling for it, right?
Me know some.
Yeah, so now that happened, not saying anything's gonna happen or it's just a chance. Yes, you can get pregnant, right? So make it fly, man. Make it see what going with.
No.
Nobody will take the pill.
No.
You see, if you don't take the pill, what's the sure about going now? If you don't
You
take the
can
pill-
check them here.
No, not check me. Not check me.
What?
We want more car really and truly. This stomach would become one. Because if something really coming from your belly, it'll make make that, right? Make whatever comes out of that. We may have to tell you differently now. Would I put your name in an account and
But when you've done in the account.
No, I tell you the bigger account you don't know about.
Well, I already get enough money from the other account. What is wrong with you? You can't convince me otherwise. You can't convince me otherwise.
Well, it's up to you though.
Yes, if the ball is in my court, I may tell you.
Alright, so anyway. Not some good things to deal with them also. Do want to love tear for go back on the road. Yeah, but that's still today.
Me and finish cleaning at the kitchen, I gotta take a shower, then we're gonna look over some stuff.
When you take a shower, I'm gonna take a shower. So you clean up, take a shower, we can't take a shower. Alright? They have too much ball in your coat, they have 2 balls to throw in your coat. You can play with them.
Baby, where you gone?
Let's tell you when you're gone already, good at.
Why man fool, sir? Me are in bed and why pray you go do?
You're not embedded in my yard.
No matter. Film Stacy's own income. So me I control you right now. See you pray.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me a year start to do up to us in.
Give me money, make me
Give
me money, make me. Stop, no, you just.
Shut up! And listen to me. You go answer, baby.
No pussy.
Okay. Alright.
Right now, I some more money, mama.
soon get more money, man. I try to say you put a chop piece now for that boy. See me I say.
When you buy that food, when you get the money, I'm going to say.
Yeah, man, come on, you find out when you go chop you and everything. See, you pray. You have to be smart and other things in the day.
We have to be smart and you the parent to spend money.
Shut up.
Everything I take for joke, you know.
I'm serious, baby. I want you. So, what are you do for the rest of the day?
We know, we still have to sign chill up the step. I road look at the people and notice so we spend.
So, you don't cook nothing?
Yes, we can cook. Yeah, me not cook already.
That the food for morning is still no man.
But yeah, I said but we can cook again. Yeah, but I make it.
No, wait, you.
Make me
oh,
can cook again.
Oh, okay.
You're lazy, but you know that's how we do this in the first place now. When you ever
say no lazy?
When you ever take up yourself and say you go cook?
Never. I really cook, baby, but true, you say you go cook. See me? That's how I love you saying. Yeah, man, I really feel it. See me? Yeah, man.
Babe, me in the bathroom, me a come. Babe, me a come.
Where are the knives?
Alright, come. No, I just put on my clothes. Me that beard man. So, put on my clothes. Yeah, you can't come in. No, stand up. But in here, they're really tired. No, I'm not nervous. I should be that beard. I'm going to try to hurry up. Yeah, man, that beard. I'm going to hurry up.
So, where are they now?
Oh, no, I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing nothing, man. I'm not doing nothing.
You look like a turn on, so like you want.
Yeah, me turn on.
Like you want to do something.
Yeah. No, we can't go on the road. No, we cook up on the road. We are go on the road. We cook up on the road. We are go on the road. We go on the road. We cook up on the road.
But suppose me no want to go on the road.
No, just make cook up on the road. We can't go on the road. I talk. You know, say you know, until they come in the yard first.
No, but
you
know, say me for yard. I mean, I think about you. I mean, say I want them to come back and give you one over here, so and then can go give you one over here again. Because the way you do things, have me all at work and I think about the things that we do to me.
I could do it on the road. It's going to be more exciting.
Yeah, but we don't want to start this.
No, man, on the road.
You're wild enough.
No,
anyway.
on the road. Yeah, man.
I feel like I don't want to start it right at the door here, so. You know, so you don't know.
No, we're not letting you go. Okay, get your own place so we can
no, when the padlock come buy what they there. You come out here that be a thief of my yard. Everything a thief of my yard. Come.
No, not thief of my
yard. Go for the padlock and unlock the door. Go for the padlock and unlock the door. There's no way we're gonna make the left. The door wide open.
You're just extra.
But differently from that,
just extra.
Pull up the door.
Extra. I'm like the grill. You said I can pull.
You can pull, man.
Alright, just put them
Lock it. So, no, differently though. How are you bridging like there?
You're bridging, look about this. You know, so when you it.
Hello.
So
what Omar bike I do, yeah, so different from where we are.
Oh, no man, Omar bike broke down today and just say my already. But even ride it over here, pushing over here and gonna stop for come back. We say it wants some parts or something like that in our way.
Oh. Come on.
people and me catty ends my youth and lock me up in a place and gone my youth.
What do you know people in the yard?
John no star youth. Look to say if you don't see, look on the party say if you don't see a key. And think I'm supposed to hit dog. Lock me up in a place my youth and I told me jump and sleep still in the father.
Yeah, what?
Thanks man. Yeah man. Thanks man. My respect your father. Bless up your father.
Oh no man.
Yeah man. My respect. Yeah. You like them? They want to take a hard lock here, you know. The problem in the man I want is an old school youth, you know.
So I'm girl, a long time I don't see you now.
Me die man, sir. Say me can make $2.99.
Boy, your shop broke down, girl. How I go and shop?
If you tell her cause, then people just go and trust on me. No time for them pay, nobody know they have to pay money.
Boy, if I did like one time, when me have money, I would help you restock it, but I have a history for give you. I don't know nothing good.
You ever had history?
Yeah, remember a rich man when my dad talk to. One rich man on a West End girl. You know remember
Oh
him?
yes,
Girl, me lose the man.
How come? How come?
Meet one little young boy. I talk to the young boy. When me tell her say me rate the boy, you know. When me tell her say me rate the boy, kind of bad in a bed. Jesus save about guess what? I better me did second for the man. I West End.
We have this share, yeah.
Right now, you don't even want to know. Make up buying car.
Listen. Look for my shop. And you go buy a man car. And then they say you're my cousin.
You don't even understand. I left the boy, I did have a left me, and I don't want it. You don't understand?
So, because of ordinary sex, you took up much of dollars. Go buy a boy car. What kind of car?
Markex.
Hey! Markex, ordinary sex. You go buy Markex, give boy.
The boy say he want skate pan tour. I mean, I think it's fair for me have money, no man have money. I mean, I talk to him and he not have nothing. You not understand? So every week or every 2 weeks when the man give me money, I transfer money to him.
Don't miss what I tell you, man. I take him money on my next man. Boy want skate pan tour. I bet the young boy there, gonna for a younger, sturdy body girl, I bet.
I not even want to think about it. Come to think of it. You know, I'm not hear from him right now, I have to go call him. At 2 weeks now, I'm not hear from him.
Take it from me, because it's the young boy there. Then they will put a big woman for no money and for things where they can get. You don't know how name? Sugar Mama. That's your name.
Right now, maybe Sugar Mama lose my sugar daddy. And now since we can't give him money every week, the boy left me.
Sugar Mama indeed. One minute ago, say so Auntie Rose just save it on your maid.
And then you made a love.
I am made. Which part of that I love? Man, when you love you and care and cherish you, spend in when that man has spent for you. Cause girl may you know say nothing normal, brand clothes and all. And for your foolish love, make it a man for young boy.
You don't understand.
I understand.
Money we do with sex. I want the two of them.
Well, if you give your money without sex, buy a little sex now and then. But now you want 2 months for yourself. You see, now you're probably going to lose all. You want all, lose all.
Alright, top in there, smell calling. Hello?
Hello?
Babes, what?
Who is this?
What do you mean by who this?
You can't pick up your voice.
Babe. Hello.
Hello.
Listen, a 2 week now. 2 weeks. I would have tell you for your background.
Come on, get my background that.
When if I wrong number me call.
Call again. Oh God. Call again because call again. Oh.
Hello.
Bills. Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, hear me?
Me hear you, not hear me?
Who this?
What you mean by who this is your woman? You're not easy.
The woman.
Babe, remember to top of a Burger King.
Yeah, man.
I who did I tell you to remember to top of a Burger King? Hello?
Oh, you know, say still have me and me be able to say I skate on the tour.
Lord, clear. What you mean by your woman a skate, beans a skate control after me buy a market?
So I'm not telling someone that you have to skate on the tour. I'm going to tell you I have to skate on the tour.
Jesus.
Cause girl, me have to laugh.
You know, see, I make him man left me after me buy a car.
Me make him man left you, and you make him man left you.
I really this you do me?
Mama, you do everything to yourself.
Because I'm not before. So weird. You see when I tell you that Auntie never grow as no yam, but she look like Auntie raised a big yam head. Fully yam. No, no, but no come out in the middle of shopping or make it get sad and how we sad.
We can't believe. No, take good fun and joke aside.
No, me not fun and joke, you know, cause but you're there with that decent man. Eh? You can bond the man with young boy. No, young boy, you skate part two with wife in your car where you buy.
This
not nice, cause you never know, say something like this never happen.
No. If me didn't know so something like this never happen, me da go.
Yes, you let me say Auntie raise you as I am made. Me as a big woman, take up a young boy, buy him car. You're not going to expect him to have a young filly in the car with him. Waiting. Oh, you don't cock up you in a dashboard on dashboard. Wait, do you feel say are you? You might go put in that have your foot cock up on dashboard. He man a skate on the toll, a young filly a skate with him. You know one old foot to skate with him.
I'm speechless.
You're speechless, you don't
You know
know
how much millions me spend on the boy then? Eh?
Look when your cousin shop and you take millions to spend on boy.
You don't think we understand.
Eh? Over little sex.
Right now I feel like I'm a mad girl.
Believe you me, if better you did buy one of them tie they would have funny like yourself and sex yourself and you would still have your money man. And you would at least pleasure yourself.
Me have to go link him and see me can beg him to take me back.
Cause girl, you have me cause, but hear this. You see, if me and the man there, you can't even call my phone.
Me have to go try call him or so.
Imagine, boy, you want a young boy to sleep and told in a market.
Never call him.
So wait, what go on for the market? So phone you we buy now?
Who buy my boy?
Eh, I saw me know you're fool. I saw me know you're fool. Cause girl, you know sense. You buy man market and go buy in the man name. Ah, you pass your maid.
Me thinking
You gonna Jamal. You pass your bed and graduate and you gonna Jamal.
I'm thinking he love
You
me.
thinking he love you?
Hello, Fire. You know how long me I call you, me I beg you one next chance. I can't give me one next chance, please. You fly but we can't talk on the phone.
I know I'm just now there now.
Alright, you can call me back later.
Alright, you can't don't call me, you can't.
Alright. Love you.
When I answer your phone, I'm not lying.
Alright.
Eh.
You don't lose the money.
You love him man now when time all thing gone in a hole. Hey, when I gone 6 foot 6 you can't come back. I will see your cause girl take time and go on, that still look good. You go on. How money man I left money man for you?
Yeah, mommy. Me just reach a fire. I link me want to link him and see if he can take me back out. I can't believe that the young boy when me buy the beast skate on the tool gone with one next young girl. Sometimes you don't know what you have until they lose it. Right now me I feel asleep, I feel yard, my sister yard, sometimes me a friend yard. Right now me don't know what to do, me stress out, me feel like me am mad out. Me just reach a yard upon the step, me there.
Me a come. Me a come, man. Me a come. Who that? Are you the cleaning lady?
Good night.
If I hear the cleaning lady come too late, because we didn't start to order something.
I am not the cleaning lady. Me a fire eggs.
Okay.
Me never know say have woman here.
Clearly have woman here.
Me need to talk to me there.
No, if him be there. No, you couldn't even talk to me if him be there.
Why?
When would I ever talk to my man?
You can't calm down, you know. Me just want to have a civil
But you say, you come and say, fire there.
Because you asked me a cleaning lady.
Because my car the cleaning lady to come clean the place and you show up, sir. Me I don't think you're the cleaning lady.
You can please
No,
tell
girl,
fire
you
to
can't
come,
help you. You can't help
please.
No, we can't help you. You're crazy?
Alright. The fuck?
Marika!
How much breeze blow you down here now?
You don't please blow me down. You go like me stay. You can't call no. You can't call.
You're always busy.
Where your phone?
Your phone now.
You go like me say from the point of calling you know and you can't pick up.
phone now, so you know something like a phone for me. So what?
No, don't you read me going on? I say I stop because a long time I see her ear from good girl. So, you know, I said, I'm come get a check. Stand up all this all long. I told them I come down. I remember if dog they are not. So, me they over there. So, now I'm coming here.
You'll be any day here.
Right.
So, how me to call check and how me to call? I'm not credit to call.
So, if me be the day, that's say you go take up a phone and call me and say, you're good, Chantel.
Me not have no credit. I'm not on internet. I'm here.
Me right here. You get laptop.
Yeah.
You find money. So where you get laptop? You're not working this.
No worry about that. Me did I save all the money I want for.
And you choose to buy a laptop for, and you take your money to buy a laptop before you go fix a piece of phone and not work. Tell me if that makes sense. That don't make no sense, you know? They don't make not 1 cent.
At least that's a work. So me can come borrow money from you.
But me not have none I know. Me not have none I know. Me not have none I know.
Anyway, so when, how comes you down here?
But I'm serious though. Me I look on a laptop, right? Where you buy a laptop from? Where you get a laptop? Honest, because this is not brand new.
Yeah, Omar sell me.
I like you tell.
Yeah.
Omar sell you this? They can never deal with Omar. You see, because I get the details, I go the details. But Omar make a move on the laptop. Zena and to make a good money and forget piece of the money. You know, say $5. How much you buy a laptop for?
$30,000.
30 grand?
Yeah, 30
You
grand.
know, say a 5 grand the boy give me after the sum after this was my idea.
So where do you get laptop from?
You don't know what we do already. After me not sell the laptop, and if I mean did I sell it, you know, I mean, would I sell it, Omar sell the thing.
So, I'm not on top of that.
I don't remember doing it number before. What you know, we can get part of contact away, you know, because the man come and I say, but do something to you, car and them look at something like. So we kind of breeze off because this is a last food that we make our family, you know.
So you have to money to use?
I know, I don't use it today for the cats, you know. The for my cat, you just did it, you know. I want me to tell you that the big spending I did, I look away, with the kind of cool and free, I look a bit. Understand? So your girl, me just there go and everything that pass through. You said come girlie. So you go and see. Oh, you and your man. Sorry, you heard me? No, me gonna left before you tell me say you gonna follow me guy here gate, you see?
No,
Girl, later. No, later man, later.
I know I'm taking a bang.
Freeze. You get this laptop, young lady?
Officer, how you out of that, son? You come in my yard and see me with my laptop and ask me where I get my laptop from. I want a man me buy it from. If you want to know, I want a man me buy it from for $30,000. No hard-earned money when me save, me buy the laptop I win. So me know what you come go like say me a thief. Me a no thief.
Well, young lady, you're under arrest.
You know, you come like you know.
For the possession of stolen goods.
Steal your mother. Me not thiefy. I
This
buy me
laptop.
buy for $30,000.
There's a tracker installed in this laptop to catch the thief that been thieving from a gentleman. Come on, we're going down by the station. Work with me. We're going down by the station, young lady. And anything you do or say shall be used against you in the court of law. Let's go. This way, young lady, this way.
How would you like to be too push for me get round the some can walk round the
Young lady, this way for me. The vehicle is right here. This way.
color in your policeman, man. Me tell her say get round there so.
And I said what? This
Me
way,
not
young
go through no bush.
Young lady, don't talk to talk with me. What? This way. This way. This way we're going. So, Miss Marika, you're not telling me where you get the laptop from.
Officer, me can't tell where me get the laptop from. Me just tell her say I buy. Me can't tell her people who me buy it from.
Okay, Miss Marika. Well, here what? The gentleman have missing a lot of things out of his house. And you are finding the position of the laptop. So you're going to get charged for everything if you can't tell us where you buy that laptop from.
I'm asking you a question now. When time me tell you know the person who me buy the laptop from. When me come out and I kill them or kill me.
Alright, let me make you a deal. So, we're going to put you under protection. Then we're going to fly you to Dubai. So you won't be harmed. But you have to witness against that person.
Yeah. Alright. Now let me out.
Well, it seems like you're guessing a name, so Miss Marika.
I'm not guessing a name, officer. Wait now.
You know if I lie to, we cannot protect you, right?
Officer, I just tell us something down to you. Wait now.
Okay, Mom, I'm listening.
My name Omar.
You know where this Omar is located?
Me only can show you where you live in the office.
Miss Marika, you need to calm down. Because you're talking crap right now. So what I want you to do is give me the location where I can find Omar. And I promise you, you're under our protection. Nothing won't happen
So
to
me
you.
I get money too?
Miss Marika, this is the deal.
Informer, yeah, turn me in.
Miss Marika, this is the deal. We have you under protection and we'll be flying you out to Dubai. No one won't harm you. Take it or pay the penalty.
You know
Miss Marika,
You know, I'm
take a deep breath and come to me straight. Take a deep breath.
You know what I'm pregnant?
Yes.
Out our front part I lane this one.
Out our front part I lane. Out this one.
Yeah.
Building how much?
Officer, you're police. You see me and you find me, go find them.
The way how I find you, there's a tracking device installing in that laptop. So please, give me directly where Mr. Omar live. So me gonna just go on Nampre and say, where's Mr. Omar?
Yeah, ask the people them there, we tell their own name, so me I want to be informer.
Seems like you don't want this deal. Hey, young lady, careful. I will charge for disrespecting of officer. Young lady, which block does he live on?
Block 4.
Okay, block 4. If I go to block 4 and it's the wrong address you gave me, you know you'll be staying in here.
Officer, don't go to your job.
I see you're a very feisty one. Hope it's the right address.
But if I can't like a mama.
Alright. If you know the 91 Psalms, pray for me. You know what I mean? Because the Most High watch it and keep it, you know, over and I. So I don't need to talk much about reality of life itself. You know what I mean? We deal with truth, you know what I mean, of life. And with truth come with a lot of crucifixion. You know what I mean? So we're up on a mission, and all of my supported them from that time till this time. My phone the gone, you know. Phone dash every number out there and everything will go on. So I want to connect back with me, you know what I mean? Because I have a big move I make, you know what I mean? You know, the future steppings, because we need to. So me and Richie, I do some work for one day, but we don't think that all of them work they will go up on YouTube, really. You know what I mean? Because over the time we've been doing the same thing, we have to do something different for a different result. So we are thought like movie will take at least 3-4 months to done. You know what I mean? The movie them already are now doing a 1 day, 2 day. You know what I mean? So if you not really get that. Like first time we used to do when we just start Richard Brown films, we used to spend more time on the movie them. Yeah, and it take a time. Even that time we take a time to develop actors and actresses. You know what I mean? But you know, Jamaica is a crab in a barrel lifestyle. So we can't really run from it because we're there. So I know a crab season. You know what I mean? So we can't really say much about that. You have to expect that from the beginning. You know what I mean? So as soon as somebody start act, first thing then go say, yo, fire them on them channel. You know what I mean? So that is it. So everybody have channel now. You must realize. So you must realize. So one have to do now. JAMMIWOOD, one king, I respond to that and everything that take place on that. Popeye, PSS Films, response to Popeye, response to Film Network. You know what I mean? Me and him work together on some project. Do some of film artists them most of the time. You know what I mean? Richard Brown Films, response to himself, same way. You know what I mean? So when I calculate it, then we have new people come now, like Maggie Films, same way. Response to film things, same way. You know what I mean? So then you have countless of different actors and actresses where come with them own channel, same way. So the name them dep on it so you can tell who do the movie. Don't be confused. Look for the name them JAMMIWOOD, Richard Brown Film, PSS Films, Maggie Films, you know what I mean, you realize it's different, but some of we work together, not everybody work together. You know what I mean? My little cousin, I film channel same way. What name again now? Walk, no, Talk Up TV. Yeah man. So him have him film own a thing, he responds to that, tax response to that. So it wasn't my vision to stay up on YouTube forever. You know what I mean? It's about developing when a youth say want to become a movie star, the platform is there. So now well, me don't know, a job plan, a job work. You know what I mean? So anything happen, make it happen. You know what I mean? So saying this to say that we are trying putting some work together now to get movie thing to the next level, because we've been practicing. So we're going to do what have we learned over the period of time now. So you're going to see what we are dealing with. Same way, so big up to everybody who has support from that time to this time. Bless up everybody. You know what I mean? Big up all of the father them out in the world. Do the right thing. You know what I mean? Yeah man. So if you're a father, look out for the youths them. You know what I mean? Come look out not only for the youths them, but me bringing to the world, but the youths them of the world. You know what I mean? You have to understand, so them are kids and kids will do what kids do. You know what I mean? Come on kids, let's go. You know what I mean? Burn it down, do good. I good follow you all the time, you know what I mean? Because that's how we maintain the respect. Because we always stay true. You know what I mean? Yeah man. So that and that. So we have a lot of things that come up. You know what I mean? Mandeville want come, Mandeville want go Chilani. Clarendon, we go to road cross time one at a time because we get an invitation one day for come and do a movie same way. So them thing there. But we're supposed to go Mandeville well soon though. Yeah, soon. Long time I'm not touching a Mandeville, and Mandeville when I place them like our second home. You know what I mean? We got Mandeville. We got everywhere in Jamaica same way. You know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. So look forward to see you up in the town in Mandeville. And I forgot Chilani. So Chilani look out too. Go there on the Chilani side. Same way. You know what I mean? Yeah man, that and this. You know what I mean? So like I say, a Father's Day. So I don't really want enough talking today. Today should relax. But today I put in the work same way. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna check my daughter here now. Carry her up on the road. And she go sightseeing or something. You know what I mean? But watch a movie still and do the right thing. You know what I mean? Let's go.